Rabbits. Rabbits have thick fur coats that keep them nice and toasty, even when the weather outside is freezing cold. Rabbits also stay warm because they have a very active lifestyle. When you see a rabbit during the cold winter, it is usually running from one place to another. By always running and moving, that helps them stay warm. Rabbits also stay warm by filling their underground den with grass and straw, which act as insulators, trapping their body heat and keeping them warm on cold days. Another way rabbits stay warm is they snuggle next to each other for warmth.